Everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to look Nptel course Manufacturing Process Technology 1 and 2 assignment 2. Due date of this assignment is 5th February 2025. So let us begin, guys. You can see the solutions. Question number 1 solution. You can see the options and mark the options in your assignment. Question number 2. See the questions and see the options and mark accordingly. Question number 3. Which of the following foam is the softest and the hardest? Martensite and ferrite. Which of the following basically does not govern the transformation of fishes? Crystal structure. Shrinking allowances deals with dash of solid casting from dash to dash temperature. Contraction freezing room. Question number 6. You can see the options. Question number 7. Which of the following is true for interstitial solid solutions? Both A and B. Dash type of gating system is ideal for dash casting. Bottom gating flat. Alloy is a mixture of two or more materials having at least one metal. You can see the options for this question number 10 and mark the solutions accordingly. And do like, share videos, subscribe the channel. Thank you guys for watching till the end.